What we see in major metropolitan areas around the world is huge congestion and the commute times are skyrocketing.
We can do very short distance efficiently, we can do very long distance efficiently, and there is that whole thing in between that you still need to drive to and it's not really convenient, and that's where the Hyperloop really comes in.
We have a SpaceX subreddit where SpaceX posts information for rocket launches for SpaceX technology. When SpaceX posted a thread into that subreddit announcing a Hyperloop competition, suddenly someone said, why not do a Reddit loop submission? Why not we do a team from Reddit and everyone can come together and work on this, like a community basically. So that's how we started the rLoop.
In order to successfully do our project, we needed tools that people from all around the world can have access to easily. It had to be something connected.
So Autodesk through Fusion 60 really allows for a team like us, which is gathered all around the globe, to work simultaneously on the same design, and everything is on a cloud so that anyone can simply log into it and start working on a certain part.
We have a mechanical engineer on one continent, electrical engineer on another continent. They work together, provide some specs, some design that you can then build a third place and actually come to real life and test it. I think more and more there are so many tools online, so many free tools, that those moonshots projects can be tackled. Let's build something together all around the world, which we did for rLoop. So I really believe that today we can tackle this moonshot project.